Hello, good afternoon. It's indeed a pleasure to be part of this valedictory function of the Faculty Development Program organized jointly by Faculty Development Center, UGC Human Resource Development Center of Savitribai Phule Pune University, Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samajas, KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science, KTHM College of Nashik, on a very apt topic, the scenario of commerce, management, and economics education after COVID-19. And this went on for more than 10 days. I learned that more than 900 participants nationally participated during this particular webinar. And this is a very important topic because we all know because of the this particular COVID-19 scenario or this unprecedented time or this disaster time basically has affected all spheres of life and especially the economy is badly hit. India being a very populous country and uh, obviously when we went into lockdown, the industry, whether it is large scale, small scale, medium scale, or all sorts of transport, aviation, trade, everything, including the education sector, uh, became virtually standstill. And more than 90 odd days, in fact, we observed the lockdown. And because of which, obviously, the overall growth scenario came down considerably. In fact, we are contemplating more or less minus growth this year, and therefore it has affected the economy where we were expecting the growth rate to be around 7 to 8%, which perhaps may go down to zero or sub minus sort of. If that is the scenario, then these sectors, especially commerce, economics, and how do we manage this particular disaster, and how do we reboot our industry, bring back our economy to the normalcy. These are some of the challenging tasks before us and obviously before the industry. And we being in the education sector, we've been always looked at as the path showing sort of organizations. And therefore, we have to revisit every sector, including the education sector as such, and especially these various disciplines like economics, commerce, and management as such. I'm pretty sure there must have been deliberation and discussion on various different elements and issues of these three areas. And then probably some answers must have come, which to an extent would be path showing uh, to in the form of maybe a policy paper to the both the state government as well as to the national government in rebooting the industry, in bringing back the economy to normalcy, back commerce to normalcy, and to that, and to do that, how the management basically will come handy. So these are some of the issues must have been discussed at great length. I'm pretty sure the participant must have benefited immensely, and the outcome of this webinar to a great extent will not just remain in the realm of this webinar, but will come out in the form of a policy paper, which to an extent could be circulated to the national agencies, to the government of Maharashtra, to the central government, so that whatever basically things that we had discussed to a great extent will help even the central and the state level authorities in taking basically some necessary actions and steps in bringing back these various sectors like commerce and economics. And from that point of view, I believe you this is a wonderful sort of a organization that has been together made by the Savitribai Phule Pune University and KTHM College Nashik, and must have been a very successful endeavor as such. So I wish all the uh, basically a very successful kind of this particular uh, webinar, and they must have got some beneficiary kind of suggestions and outcomes from this particular activity, from this particular webinar as such. So once again, I congratulate all of them for participating in this particular webinar and discussing a very important topic because of this COVID situation as such. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to be part of this valedictory function. Once again, I congratulate every one of you, and I stop here. Thank you so very much.